It's your boy Papa the Great back at it again with another vlog. Today we got a new parts, Overland parts for the GX 470. I know it's too late to vlog, but hey, you know, I just got up. I still got that energy, you know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna do a fucking unpacking for this new Overland and GX 470. Let's get it. Let's get it. Right there. That's the big box. Right here, as you can see, it's my fridge. Let's get it. Alright guys, so that's the fridge. Is, how do you call this? Astro fridge. What size is this? Like 37 or 35? So we got it only for, how much did we get it from Prime Day? Like 200 bucks. It's a good thing, man. Look, this thing, everything will work now. Like, you know, if you buy like let's say 700 fridge, this one's like you can use it for the whole time. Look. That's nice. And this is all the equipment you need if you want to charge it. And this one that goes to your power station. If you have Jackery or Yeti, you always put that, so every time you go to camping while you're driving, you can just charge it so you get cold. The instructions over here. That. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna try it. Shit. Whoa. The thing for the cord. This one. First of all, we're gonna try for the power plug, which is right here. Sorry. Really cool. Try it now. Also, a very small trailer that would be perfect for a 2 or 3. Yeah, I agree. I think it was something else, though. Yeah, it really was. Regina, this was your first Overland Expo. Go. What'd you think? Any more products and stuff too? I didn't know what to expect. I've been one of these before, and it's pretty cool. You know, getting to see all the different vehicles and how everyone's modified them and customized them. See, look. Ooh. Dang. I think that the light is working. Damn. Hit that. Alright, so right now we're just waiting for how many minutes? Like 30 minutes. Because we're just waiting to get it cold. So how many degrees gonna go down after 30 minutes? Like -4. So we went all the way -4. Right now we were just waiting 30 minutes till it go down to get it cold, so we'll get back to you guys. So right now we're in like 14. Damn, that's fast. How can you see if it's charged? Nah. Alright, so we just woke up. It was, how cold it was earlier? Damn, that shit cold though, for real. Damn, now we're gonna try this. There you go. It's everything set up. It's on 28 right now, but still cold inside. So if you have a beverage, like plug it first at your home, like before you guys go tomorrow or going camping, so make sure it's like gonna be cold. And then I have this power station, which is the Yeti 400. Got it from Arnold. He sold it to me for cheap. And I'm bugging. And my bad, y'all. It's still bucket. So right here, that's the thing. So right now I'm at 95%. Let's go. That's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys ever want to buy a mini fridge that affordable for Overland, I recommend this. I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can see it. We got it on the Prime Day, like what, like 200, because the real price like 265 or like I think 35. But this one is worth it. You know, like there's a lot of space. Look, like a lot of space that you can put it like food before camping and all that. Yep, that's it. Thanks.